Establishing a human presence on the moon or Mars is going to require more than just rockets. It's going to require habitat modules that account for various design challenges, such as
the lunar surface can get really hot.
it gets cold on the lunar and Martian surface too, less than 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's why we use MLI blankets to maintain habitable temperatures.
The surface of the moon and Mars is bombarded with ionizing radiation, constantly from galactic radiation and cyclically from solar radiation.
We designed an interior polyethylene layer to protect the crew from ionizing radiation exposure. We designed it to deflect micrometeors.
Our Whipple shields and bumper plates make it safe for habitation.
If you think the last test was fabricated, here we are putting our lives on the line.
We face challenges before we even reach the lunar or Martian surface. The module experiences intense dynamic stresses during launch caused by vibrations. To resist these dynamic stresses during launch and provide rigidity on site, our module has a complex internal airframe. However, we need to be efficient with our mass, just like with anything going to space. Our design is lightweight, staying below 7,000 kilograms.
Systematically solving these problems led us to our final design, the Aether module. We are TSGC Space Grant.